In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a side view mirror on a Honda CR-V, which is located on the side of the vehicle. Now that you have your door open, you need to remove this panel here behind the speaker. Just pry straight out with your interior removal tool. You have one plug. You need to push that pin down and pull like that. That piece off to the side. Behind your door pull handle, there's another plate. Just get in there with your tool, pull straight out. You have two Phillips screws. You need to remove those. Put those off to the side. This panel here that holds your window switches, that needs to be removed. That comes straight up. So get in behind here with your tool. Pry straight up. And out. And you have your two connectors. Push the button down, pull straight out. Same thing for this. Push down, pull up. Now inside here, there's a little cover. You just need to pop that up. The little pick. Then you have a Phillips screw. And here you need to remove. Now you're ready to remove your door panel. Your door panel is held on by a bunch of clips all the way around it. You can stick your tool in here and pry forward towards you. Or you can get a tool like this. Go around the door. Let's do one at a time. Then pull straight up. Unhook it from the door and rest it down. Now you can unplug your plug for your mirror and unclip your wiring from your door. Just pull straight out, push this tab down, pull out. Now you have two 10mm nuts here and there. Remove those. Now behind this weather strip here is your third nut. You can just pull this weather strip off towards you. It's just two clips. There's your third nut. Take your mirror from the outside. Your clip here is going to want to hold it, so you have to push these in one at a time, like that. Pull the mirror out, and there's your mirror. Your door mirror has a cover that goes onto the back. It has these tabs here. Just want to line those up with the holes there. Put it on. Make sure it all snaps in. Just like that. It comes with the three nuts already on it. You need to remove those. Take your mirror. Slide your wire through. Clip that in. That's going to hold your mirror for you. Now you put your three nuts back on. Take your weather strip clips, put those back in the two holes. Make sure the weather strip is in its channel up here. Take your plug, pull your mirror in. Wire down. You can wire tie this to here if you'd like, which I think that's what I'm going to do, because once you put your door panel on, you don't want your wire sticking out of your door panel. Take your wiring, you can tuck it underneath your plug. Take your wire tie. Cut the access off. After you wire tie your wires to the side over here, make sure your wire for your speaker is up over there, not get tucked behind the door panel itself. Take your door panel, slide it over the top first. Push your door panel towards the door. sure all your clips are clipped in. For your mirrors and your windows, make sure you hear the click. Same thing here. This piece goes down inside first, then push straight down until it clips in. Now you can put your 2 screws in for your handle. These have a little shank on them, both of them. Put your cover back on. Snaps in. Plug your speaker back in. Take your panel, push so you hear it click. Phillips screw back into here. Install your cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.